Hi everyone, this is a quick video about the Samsung Galaxy A34 software update. If you are using this phone, this video will help you. To check the update, go to settings, scroll down and tap software update. Okay, then tap download and install. If an update is available, download it using Wi-Fi and make sure your battery is about 50%. Now download. Samsung regularly provides software updates for the Galaxy A34. These updates include Android updates, one UI improvement, security patch and performance fix. Now update ready to install. Schedule install or install now. Install now. Software update, Android system update, Samsung Galaxy. Okay. Phones are up to date. Finishing system update. Okay. Go to setting. Software update. Software up to date. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Tata. Bye bye. See you. Bye.